Hello children. Today in English literature we will be learning the poem Five Little Seeds. This poem is in your English textbook on page 42. Children, I don't want you to open your books, but I want you to listen and watch this video carefully. Children, I will be reciting this poem twice and I want you to listen carefully to the pronunciation and the pauses. This is the poem that is talking about seeds. It tells us how the seed grows and what are the things required for the seeds to grow. In short, this is the poem related to our nature. Children, listen attentively as you have to learn this poem for your orals. Shall we begin? Five Little Seeds. The name of the poet is not given, so we say that the poem is written by anonymous. Five little seeds. Five little seeds. Five little seeds. Three will make flowers and two will make weeds. Under the leaves and under the snow, five little seeds are waiting to grow. Out comes the sun, down comes a shower, and up come the three pretty pink flowers. Out comes the sun that every plant needs, and up come two funny old weeds. Children, I will recite it once more. Pay attention. Five little seeds. Five little seeds. Five little seeds. Three will make flowers and two will make weeds. Under the leaves and under the snow, five little seeds are waiting to grow. Out comes the sun, down comes a shower, and up come the three pretty pink flowers. Out comes the sun that every plant needs, and up come two funny old weeds. So children, I hope you have got the pronunciation of each and every word in the poem. Now children, I will be explaining the poem one verse at a time. So let's begin. Now children, I will be explaining this poem verse by verse. So are you attentive? Five little seeds. Five little seeds. Five little seeds. Three will make flowers and two will make weeds. Children, here the poet is telling us about the five little seeds. Seeds are usually small and therefore he calls it little seeds. And the poet already knows what these seeds are of which tree. That means these seeds will grow into which plant. The poet already knows that three are flowers and two will be weeds. What are weeds? Weeds are grass that grow in between the plants. They are unwanted. That is why they are called weeds. They take all the nutrition out of the soil. But many people have now learnt to use the weeds. So there is nothing that is not useful. Everything can be brought to use. So in this first stanza, we have got to know that there are five little seeds which are sown in the soil, and out of these five seeds, three will make flowers and two will make weeds. Let's go to the next stanza. Under the leaves, under the snow, five little seeds are waiting to grow. Here the poetess is saying whether the seeds are going to make flowers or whether they are going to make weeds. But under the leaves and under the snow, all the five little seeds are waiting to grow. So even if they are going to make flowers or they belong to weeds, they are treated equally. They have the same strength in them. Even under the snow, they have not died. Even under the leaves, they are not hidden. They are only waiting for the right circumstances, that is, the right condition, and they will be ready to grow. Let's continue with the third stanza. Out comes the sun, down comes the shower, and up comes the three pretty pink flowers. What are the right or suitable conditions that a plant needs to grow? Yes, a plant needs sun. They need sun because they need to prepare their own food with the help of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green particles present in the leaves. Plants prepare their own food with the help of the sun, and that is why they need the sun. Along with the sun, they also need water, and that is why the poet is saying, down comes a shower. That means rain. The seeds need both sun and water to grow. And so when they get enough of sun and rain, the seeds are ready to grow now. And 3 of the seeds grow into pretty pink flowers. Let's go to the last stanza. Out comes the sun that every plant needs, and up come 2 funny old weeds. Again, after the shower, that is after the rains, the sun has come out, and the sun is what every plant needs. These weeds are little grasses that grow among the plants, and they are funny. Why are they called funny? Yes, they are called funny because they are all twisted and of different shapes. So, whether you are a flower or you are a weed, and under the right circumstances, everybody grows. Children, you must always remember that. There is nothing that is not useful. In this poem, the poet is saying both the flowers and the weeds are useful. Weeds are useful and the flowers too are useful, and together both they make a garden complete. So children, in this poem we discover that planting seeds is an exciting adventure that is good for the earth too. This poem focuses on spring and planting a seed in the garden. Children, if you get a chance, please plant a sapling. And you know it very well, isn't it? That a green city is a clean city. Greenery all around will make the air pure and good for us to live. We should take care of our nature and the surroundings. Children, you have to learn this poem orally, and you also have to write the notes given in the assignment. And please don't forget to learn the spellings of difficult words. I have sent you the words for dictation. Please see that you learn them thoroughly. Thank you and have a good day.